Right, we're doing the isometric view of this object that has been drawn in third angle orthographic projection. I've got a front view, I've got a top view, and I've got a left view over here. What I need to do is to start out, I'm going to draw this base over here. It says that I go up, 20 millimeters. So I measure off 20 millimeters over there. I mark that off, and I can draw in some construction lines going back from that point and back from that point. Right. Knowing that I've got an edge over there, well, everything that I'm seeing over there is back from that edge. So from that corner over there, which is, it's 20 plus 20 plus 20, which is 60 back. I'm just going to measure that off. 60 millimeters going back along that line. You can see I've got that mark over there, and I can now draw a line going up over there. Okay, and obviously I've got two lines going into that corner, so I need a third line going across there. Right, you can see that I've got that base story going in there, and I can now draw that in dark straight away. Draw that across from there to there. Draw that across from there to there. Draw that across from there to there, and draw in that line going across over here from there to there. Right, you can see that I've got two lines going into that corner as well, so I can draw a line going up from there, up the way to the top there, and if I've drawn accurately, you should find that I have basically found that part at the back. It says over here that I've got a 24 millimeter going that way, and if I come over here, you'll see that it goes down 24 millimeters, which means that I've got a 45-degree angle. Okay, so I'm going to measure off that 24 millimeters. I come to that corner over there, I mark it off over there, I go to that corner over there, and I mark it off over there. Right, knowing that it's a 45-degree angle, I can draw in with my 30 degrees going that way, and I can come over here and I can draw in with my 60-degree angle going down that way, and it will look like that 45-degree angle has been drawn on my drawing. There we go. That will just continue straight across, so it should continue straight across there. Can you see the top part? Can you see the 45-degree? And you can see that little corner being cut off. Once I've got that, well, I can draw a line going from that corner down to there as well. Right, that then goes right down to the bottom over there. I can draw in that line going down to the bottom over there, that line going down to the bottom over there, and that line going down over there. Obviously, I need these two lines at the top over here, from there to there, and from there to there. Now we come along and we say, okay, it has this big rectangle over here, which I need to draw in. You can see that it has a length of 40 millimeters over there, and I can then figure that out. 40 millimeters. Let's just find the center of this over here. How do I do that? I'm going to draw a construction line coming across there. I'm going to draw a construction line coming down over there. I'm going to find the center going across over there, and from there I can then measure 20 on either side. So I measure off 20 millimeters, go in over here, measure 20 millimeters there, and 20 millimeters there. I'm going to draw a line, a construction line going back from those 2 points. I've got a construction line going there and a construction line going over there. If you look at this, that measurement, it seems that it is the same measurement over there and over there and over there and over there. Right, once I've got that, well, you can see this line coming up over here, and from there I'd be able to draw a line going across from there, and I can draw a line going from this corner out to there, and that would give me the measurement that I need in order to get that rectangle into place with that equal gap all the way around. Right, once I've done that, you can see that it goes up 10 millimeters over here. So I'm going to come over here, and I know that this measurement is 20 millimeters, so I'm going to come over here and to draw a line coming out, just a construction line coming out over there, draw a construction line going down over there, and I can draw a line going across over here, across over there, which will give me the 10 millimeters up there, and I can now draw in a line going across over there and a line going across over there. That gives me the 10 millimeters down that I need. It then says that I need to come out on my left view 30 millimeters, so I measure off 30 millimeters over there from that corner, mark that off on the fish tank. It's obviously symmetrical, so 30 millimeters from that corner should give me my 20 millimeters in the middle, and I can now draw in a little line going up there, a little line going up there, a little line going across there, and I can draw in the base part going across like that. I then have a look at this, and it goes back 20 millimeters going across there, from there to there, and 20 millimeters going across from there to there. I can now draw in a little line going up over there like that, up over there like that, draw that across, draw that across, draw that across. And now I start counting the corners, and I can see, well, I've got 2 lines going into that corner, so I need a 3rd line coming across. I come along, there's 2 lines going into that corner, so I need a 3rd line going across there. I've got 2 lines going into this corner over here. I need a 3rd line coming down over there, right? How far down does it go? Well, you can see that construction line, that hidden detail at least, going all the way down to the bottom. Do I have that measurement? Well, yes, I do. I've got that measurement. It goes all the way down to the bottom. That measurement over there, I can bring that in and plop that at that point over there. And I can now draw a dark line coming down to that point. From that corner, I need to draw a line coming out. How far out is it going to go? Well, you can see the measurement over there to there is 30, so I'm going to measure across 30 millimeters. 30 millimeters. No, sorry, it's less than 30 millimeters. It's got that 10 millimeter gap over there. Right, so it's 20 millimeters. 20 millimeters. From there to there. It'll be good. That gets me that point over there. And I can now draw in a little line coming up from that corner over there. That's going to get in touch with that 10 millimeters going up from the bottom. So I measure off 10 millimeters. Well, I've actually got that. I can draw that straight across from this corner over here. There it is. You can see that corner. It would link up with that corner over there. From there, I can draw a line coming across over there, and that would link up with this corner over here. So there we go. It's easy measuring. From now, I can draw a line going across there, a line going down there, a line going down there, and I can draw in a line going across over there. Same story is going to go over here. I'm going to draw a line coming across from that corner, okay, and a line coming across from that corner over there. You can see my 10 millimeter gap over there, and I can draw a line coming back over there, which means that I can draw in a dark line going across there. The base of it would connect with this pink line coming across here. I can drop a line going down over there, and I can have a line going back over here. Ah, no, sorry, that's not right. Sorry, I'm not thinking. Really not thinking. Sorry, there it is. It comes down to that corner. I need to have a line going back from that corner, getting that little tunnel effect going over there. Same story over here. I need a 3rd line coming out over there so that I get that tunnel effect there. Last thing that we need to do is to get the hexagon in here. I need to start out by drawing a hexagon. It gives you the line length of 25 millimeters. I'm going to take 25 millimeters on my pair of compasses, a radius of 25. Come up here, make a little mark and draw a circle with a radius of 25. I now have a center line which I'm going to draw through there, center line going through there, and a center line going down. I'm going to draw it in purple over here, center line purple coming down over there. I can draw in the hexagon. There we go. That. Let's just get the set square moving. Draw that and that over there. And I can now draw in that thing over there and that thing over there. Right. Once I've got that in place, I need to find where that center is. It says that it's 60 millimeters going up over here. So I measure off with my pair of compasses, 60 millimeters. Pair of dividers at least. There's 60 millimeters going up on that line over there. And I can draw a line going across over here. It's the red line going across. Note that red line going across there. I'm going to have that going across over there. I need to find the center of this story. So let's just do that quickly. Draw a line coming across like that. And I can now draw a line going back at 30 degrees over there. And that will give me that purple line going up over there, going through the center. Once I've got those two measurements, I can come back to here, take that measurement from the center to there, take it onto there, mark it off, turn it around, mark it off. Once I've got that, I'm going to measure off this distance on the purple line. Note it's a different measurement from that over there. Take it to the purple line, mark it off over there, mark it off over there. Draw two construction lines out. There we go, and there we go. I'm going to measure on either side of those purple lines that less distance of the line length. Mark it off over there, turn it around, mark it off over there, take that up to the top, mark it off over there, mark it off over there. I can now draw in my hexagon, going from there to there, going from there to there, draw in this line over there, draw in this line over there, draw in that line, and draw in that line over there, your non-isometric lines. Right, once you've got those, you've got a hole which is going to go through here. So I'm going to draw in lines coming out from that corner and that corner. And I can now measure off, well, what is the material thickness over here? There it is. Go in, mark that off over there. You can come up over here, you can mark that off over there. And you can now draw in a line going across from there to there. You can draw in a line going across from there to there. And you can then measure off or draw in that line over there. You can then draw in that line going over there. And you have got your hexagon in place. Right, there's one last line, 2 lines going into that corner, and I can finish that off. There is the drawing done.